Before we go to this video, make sure to go to your game settings, then set your graphics API to DX12, and don't forget to disable VSync and triple buffering. Come back everybody to this video in which we are going to see how to add XeSS, frame generation and even FSR4 to RDR2. So we are going to use the latest OptiScaler update. We have to download from our website. Make sure to don't download the fake download ads. Okay, click here in OptiScaler. It will get you to GitHub, the latest version. Then go down and just click here and download. If you need FSR4, also you can download this from share mods. Okay, after downloading, of course, extract, go to OptiScaler, copy everything, go to RDR2 main folder and paste here. Then go to setup Windows, click run, then choose 3. So we are going to go with version.dll, then press enter. Choose your GPU. If you have AMD or Intel, press 1. If you have NVIDIA, press 2. For me, I will go with 2 and enter. If you want to use FSR4 INT8, what you have to do, go in here, then here, copy this and paste in the main game folder. For those who have 9070 or 9060, don't do this. You have a specific file for your GPUs. Now what we have to do is launch in your game. Go to settings, then graphics, then go down to DLSS and make sure to enable DLSS. So this mod works only if you enable DLSS. You can't enable it even if you have AMD or Intel GPU. Now press insert key in your keyboard to open OptiScaler menu, and here in the frame generation choose OptiFG upscaler, and here choose XeSS FG and save. Restart your game. After the restart, open OptiScaler menu. You can here enable FPS overlay and enable your XeSS FG. So you must restart your game. Okay, here as you can see the game works, but we have a lot of flickering. Not a lot actually, but there is flickering. So enable hub fix and we can here see if it detects the hub. As you can see, it's working. So for this mod, try to get 60 frames or more to get a good experience. As you can see, it's working. The only thing that it's bad with this mod is you have to run your game with Windowed Borderless. So we are approaching that 1k subscribers. If you can subscribe. If you like the video, put a like. If you dislike the video, don't forget to put your dislike. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.